to fix this problem, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and try to search for Amino app. So when you find just tap on it for some while, tap on the app info, and after that what you have to do next is to tap on force stop, then you tap on OK. After doing this, what you have to do is to tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back, tap on storage and cache, then you tap on the clear cache. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is toggled on. So when you do this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu again and try to search for your Google Play Store. So when you find your Google Play Store, what you have to do is to just tap on the Google Play Store. When you tap on the Google Play Store, tap on the search app. Then after that, try to search in for Amino app. Now search. After that, you are going to get the results over here. So as you can see, this is the result I got. So what you have to do is to just scroll a little bit and tap on it when you find it. After that, what you have to do when you get to this section is to tap over here when you are seeing update on your device. It means you have to get the latest update of your Amino app account. So what you have to do is to tap on this update. So after tapping on update, what you have to do next is to restart your device. So to restart your device, just tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart, or other device you're going to see reboot. It's all the same. So when you tap on reboot or restart, you're going to see this. Then you tap on OK. Some other phones you're going to see wipe down or wipe up, then you just wipe it to restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed after doing this. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.